Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the string template literals or the template strings. Okay. So inside of JavaScript, as you have seen, if we want to concatenate some of the variables with the string, it is a little bit difficult to do, okay, by default. So there, the template strings come into the picture. So what I can do, I can just do something like something like this and do something like this. Okay, so let's add a variable. Okay, so let product equals to something like pen. Okay, or pens, something like that. Let's do pen. Okay, let price of that particular product is 1.99, let's say. Okay, $199 or $1.99, and then do let's quantity equals to something like 5. Okay, so now what I want to just add a string inside of the console which says like, hey, you bought, and then the product name, which is pen. Okay, or you bought quantity and then product, and the total price is, that should be price times quantity times quantity. Okay, so I want to do something like that, and this thing should be dynamic. Okay, I just do not want to hard code the values inside of the string. So how I can do that? I can do that inside of the old way as well. So let's do that. First of all, inside of the old way, so what we can do something like let message equals to, then do something like you bought, and then add a space and then plus the quantity. Then what we will do, we will add a dot and do something like to string. So what it will does, it will convert the quantity, which is a number, to a string. Okay, you bought that thing basically, and then plus. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to add the product. Okay, so product. Okay, and depending on the product, we have to do something like this, and then we have to do something like s. Okay, so you bought this many products. Okay, and the total total price is, okay, and then what we have to do, we have to add, we have to do price times quantity. Okay, hit save. So as you can see, Prettier is doing its job, and it is right now something like that. Now if I just add a console log of message, okay, and hit save, and as you can see, so okay, so there is no spaces here. So what I have to do, I have to add a space here, so plus. Okay, awesome. So you bought 5 pens and the total price is $9.95. Okay, and as you can see, this particular method of concatenating the strings is quite not good, right? It is quite lengthy, and there are many of the places where we can do some mistakes. As you just saw, I just forgot to add a space here, and this does not look good as well. So is there a better way? Yes, there is a better way. Okay, so now what I will do, I will declare the same variable, which is the message. So let message, and now what I'll do, equals to, and then I will open up the backticks. This particular key is in most of the keyboards is the key just below your escape key or just above your tab key. So this is backticks. It is not something like single quotes. It is not. Single quote is this one. So we have to open up the backticks here. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have some superpowers here inside of that particular string. So if I just save that and do something like hello, okay, so this is like just a normal string. Okay, so now what I can do, the main thing which we can do here is to interpolate the variables here, okay, inside of the string. So what I'll do, I will do something like you bought, and then we have to have the quantity, right? So what I'll do, I'll just add the dollar sign and then the curly braces. Okay. And inside of the curly braces, we can write some JavaScript code. Okay. So what I can do something like quantity dot to string. Okay. So you bought this much and then add a space. So you bought this. So, okay, the quantity. So as you can see, you bought 5. Okay. Now what I'll do something like, once again, I will just do the dollar sign and curly braces. And inside of that, I will add the product and add a S here. So you bought that many products and the total price is, okay, and after a space I will open up the dollar sign and curly braces once again. And as you can see, we are just adding up the variables, right? So we can do something like price times quantity. So price times quantity. Okay, as you can see, this looks much better right now. Okay, so you bought quantity product, basically you bought 5 pens here, and the total price is, that is the total price here, which is this one, price times quantity. So the total price is 9.95. Okay, so as you can see, in that way, by using the template strings, we can interpolate the variables inside of the strings quite easily. Okay, so now you might have had a good idea what problem the template strings solves. Previously, we didn't have the template strings and we had to do something like this, which really sucked. Okay, but right now, as you can see, we can do something like this. We can directly interpolate the variables inside of the string. And also, I can just get rid of the toString here as well. That will not change anything. So you bought quantity products and the total price is price times quantity. So you can write some JavaScript code inside of these dollar sign and curly braces. And here what I can do, as you can see, this price is not having the dollar sign here. So I can add another dollar sign here. Okay. So this dollar sign is for the dollar sign for the price, and this particular dollar sign which we have is for interpolating the variables inside of the template strings. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, this is it. Basically, this is the template literal. Once again, you can use the template literal for other things as well. You can use them for escaping the quotes as well. So as you can see, you bought 5 pens and the total price is $9.95. Okay. Also, as you can see, we can do something like this. Let message to, okay, and open up the backticks and then do something like he said, okay, if I can type, okay, he said lol, okay, something like that. So as you can see, inside of this particular string, we do not have to escape anything right now. Okay, so in that way, template strings are quite useful. So if I just do console log of message to, as you can see, he said LOL. Okay, awesome. So this is the template literals in action. So I hope that makes sense and you have a nice idea about what exactly is the template strings and how the template strings are quite useful to us. Okay, awesome. So this is the template literals or the template strings in JavaScript.